everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I do a jumbo braid. Very easy, very beginner friendly, step by step. Just watch, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover. I'm going to be doing it and doing a voiceover, so stay tuned. The first thing that you have to do is comb your hair out if necessary, and I'm combing my hair and brushing my hair into the position of where I want my braid to be. Now I want my braid to be on the top of my head, so I'm going to comb my hair in that direction. It doesn't have to be there. You could have your braid a lot lower in the middle. It's just up to you.
I need you so bad, yeah.
The next step is positioning your hair into where you want your ponytail to go. I do like a preliminary ponytail. It's not tight or good. I put it up, put gel in my hair, and then I take it out and put the final ponytail in. So I'm using Eco Styler gel, a smoothing brush, and an edge brush.
Favorite jug, my favorite jug. You deserve the finer things, designer things. Oh, she's my favorite jug, amazing love. Yeah, you can tell by your style, I'ma need you a while. Yeah, you're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You can give me all your nights, take all your life. Zimmer, who got the keys to your Beamer? You can tell him at night, online, on Twitter. I kick flows for you, kick down doors for you. I be in the stash, I be keeping gold on you. In the V, you and me, you know how we roll. I get the gas, she don't never let me pay a toll. Ride or die, Bonnie and Clyde. I keep her in the days, honey, keep me on a high. Vacay nights, we might make it to the sand. My GD and Prada, I rub her like a lamb, yeah. She never lonely with the one and only. I be waiting on my fix, see her 4 in the morning, or even in the evening. On the weekend, I be all up in the pool, I be in the deep end. She be messing up work, we be oversleeping. Yeah, I'll even come back, I be really fiending. You're my favorite jug, amazing love. No, you never tell your friends where the paper was. Yeah, you're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You deserve the finer things, designer things. Oh, she's my favorite jug, amazing love. Yeah, I can tell by your style, I'ma need you a while. Hey, you're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You can give me all your nights, take all your life. Super dime, I know you bad and you know it. Your name fits your frame, no game, you be glowing. Chicks be hating on you cause they wanna be down.
Now you're going to grab your hair that you're using and fold it in half. Get a twisty and place it right on top of the folded part of the hair. Place it right on top of the folded part of the hair. Okay, you're then going to grab one side of the twisty, and pull it on top of the other side and pull it so it gets tight. Now, I'm going to do this one more time. Fold your hair, place the twisty on top of the folded hair. So it looks just like that. Grab one side of the twisty, pull it through the loop so it's on top of the other side of the twisty. Pull it so it gets tight. Grab your hair, grab the twisty, the loop, and put it around your hair as if you're just making a ponytail. You're going to be twisting the twisty around the ponytail. So your hair, just let it dangle, avoid it. The braided hair that you're going to end up braiding, just let that dangle. You're just twisting the actual now grab ponytail, your hair and the braided hair together accessory and part in 3 sections. You're going to start braiding as close to the top and as tight as possible, and just braid the whole way down.
I need you so bad. that, yeah. I hope that you know that. Oh, you're my favorite jug, amazing love. No, you never tell your friends what the paper was. Yeah, you're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You deserve the finer things, designer things. Oh, she's my favorite jug, amazing love. Yeah, you can tell by your style, I'ma need you a while. You're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You can give me all your nights, take all your life. Zimmer, who got the keys to your Beamer? You can tell him at night, online, on Twitter. I kick flows for you, kick down doors for you. I be in the stash, I be keeping gold on you. In the V, you and me, you know how we roll. I get the gas, she don't never let me pay a toll. Ride or die, Bonnie and Clyde. I keep her in the days, honey, keep me on a high. Vacay nights, we might make it to the sand. My GD and Prada, I rub her like a lamb, yeah. She never lonely with the one and only. I be waiting on my fix, yeah, 4 in the morning, or even in the evening. On the weekend, I be all up in the pool, I be in the deep end. She be messing up work, we be oversleeping. Yeah, I'll even come back, I be really fiending. You're my favorite jug, amazing love. No, you never tell your friends what the paper was. Yeah, you're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You deserve the finer things, designer things. Oh, she's my favorite jug, amazing love. I can tell by your style, I'ma need you a while. You're my favorite jug, my favorite jug. You can give me all your nights, take all your life. Super dime, I know you bad and you know it. Your name fits your frame, no game, you be glowing. Chicks be hating on you cause they wanna be down.
That's all there is to it. Very simple. My hair's straight right now, but I do this when my hair is not straight also, and it works just as well, even better, because it's not as slippery with this hair since this hair is straight. So thanks for watching.